basketball, while currently thriving with stars like Sabrina Ionescu, Asia Wilson, and top NBA talent, continues to honor its heritage by reviving classic designs. Among these is the Scottie Pippen-endorsed Air Max Uptempo 95, a beloved silhouette from the brand's archives. In celebration of the model's 30th anniversary in 2025, Nike has reintroduced several of its most iconic colorways over the past year. The revival extends into spring 2026 with the return of the Alternate Bulls edition. This high-top sneaker features a premium mix of nubuck and leather across the upper, dressed in a bold combination of red, black, and white, an inverted take on the classic Chicago Bulls palette seen in the original release. The Alternate Bulls colorway was last released in 2019 and remains a standout among fans of retro basketball sneakers, combining nostalgia with street-ready appeal.